Hey guys, you are welcome back to another video tutorial. And I want to believe that you are watching this video and what you are seeing here on this platform is $142.58. And I want you to believe that this is real money. And how are you going to know that this is real money? I'm going to refresh again. So let me refresh. If you still see it there, it means real money. If it is not there, it means it's a scam. So I'm already refreshing it now. You can see that this money is still there. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you are going to actualize this kind of money so that you yourself can start making this kind of money. And I want you to be with me from beginning to the end. Don't skip this video because we are having up to 6 steps we are going to be taking to so that we can be able to be getting this money. So peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time. My name is Julius. And on this channel, I do come back to come and tell my fans any of the website that is working for me so that they themselves can start making money on that website. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning fans. I love you and I appreciate you. And you guys that are just watching this channel for the first time, what I will want you to do right now, that is not going to cost you any damn, is just you subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's dive into today's video. So like I said that this video is going to be of a different step like I told you earlier. So let's see the first step now, what it entails. Just be patient. So this is the first step. The first step says setting up a CPAgrip account. So like I told you now, this is a CPAgrip account. And how are you going to set up here? It means we need to register on this account. And there's a link at the description of this video. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you here. And what you now need to do right now, when you click register, it's going to ask for your name. You need to put your names. You need to put your first name, last name. Don't put the company. If you don't have any company, don't put, you can put a Facebook account as your website here. Then the street. Then let's move down. Then, because I'm in Nigeria, this is the reason why it's showing Nigeria here. If you click on this down arrow now, you are going to see different country here. You can see here Nigeria, you can see here other countries. So just put your country there, then the city, the state, your phone number. Then once you have done that one, you need to put your email address, password. You need to confirm your password. Then you choose your time zone. Once you have done all this, the next thing now you all need to do right now is just to click register. And once you click register, you are free to go. So this is step 2. You say picking a profitable niches. What do you mean by profitable niches? Or what do you mean by niches? This can be make money online. This can be weight loss or fitness and weight loss. This can as well be self-help. And for the purpose of this video, what we are going to be doing now, there is need for us to, for this strategy to work, we need to use a free ebook. And where are we going to get this free ebook? We can get this free book from a free PLA download. So this is a free PLA download. How are you going to get this one? Just go to your Google search bar. When you get to Google search bar, you are going to put a free PLA download. And by doing so, you are going to see different URL. These are the URL of a free download. So what we now need to do right now, we need to click on this one to open in another search bar. So let's click this one. When we click on this one right now, it's going to bring us here. So we can see here right now that we are having